Welcome to this beginner's yoga flow. Let's begin in a child's pose. Widen the knees, rest the hips over the heels, stretch the arms forwards and lower the forehead and chest towards the earth. If this isn't accessible, feel free to place a yoga block underneath of the head. Breathe in through the nose and out of the mouth a few times. Feel the spine lengthening, the sides of the body opening and releasing. Feel your chest melting towards the ground. And just follow your breath in and out. Let your breath bring you into the present moment as you use this time to let go of any to-do lists, any thoughts, worries, concerns. Let it all go. All you need to do here is just observe your breath. Take one last breath in this child's pose. As you exhale, begin to gently lift the head and walk the hands back. Let's remain kneeling for a moment more as we stretch out the wrists and the fingers. Extend the arms out long. Begin to open and close the fists. Just repeating a few times, warming up the hands. Then tuck the thumbs inside of the fingers and make circles with the wrists. Move in the opposite direction. Then unclench the hands and give them a shake out. Come to table pose with the hips over the knees and shoulders over the wrists. On an inhale breath, arch the spine, sending the gaze forwards. Relax the shoulders. Exhale as you round the upper back, shoulder blades spreading apart. Continue. So inhale, arch the spine. Allow the abdomen to soften. Exhale, belly contracts, spine rounds. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Last time, inhale. As you exhale now, curl the tailbone up, press the hips high for downward facing dog. Hands are about shoulder width here, feet hips width. Spread the fingers wide. Gently pedal the feet. So lowering one heel down and then the other, releasing the backs of the legs. Bring a generous bend into both knees with the spine straight. Melt the chest back towards the thighs. Take a big clearing breath in through the nose and out of the mouth. Gently walk the feet up in between the hands. Come to a forward fold, so the knees are bent as generously as needed. Upper body drapes over the lower body. Hands reaching for opposite elbows. And forehead reaching for the ground. Relax and soften the face. Feel the back of the neck lengthening. Let's roll all the way up to stand. Head coming up last. We will be coming into Warrior Two pose next. So take a big step back with the left leg. Line the left foot so that it's parallel with the edge of your mat. Send the leg as straight as possible. Bend the right knee, keeping the knee tracking the foot, if not behind the foot, just not past it. The hips will open to the left. Extend the arms, shoulders stacking the hips. Press down through the feet. Find your breath once again. For side angle pose, now keep the legs positioned here. Lower the right forearm to the thigh, reaching left arm up and over, opening the left side ribs up to the sky. Continue to breathe slow and steady. Press through the feet. Bring the arms back to Warrior Two. Then for a high lunge, spin to the ball of the back foot. Reach the left arm down and forwards. If needed, you can bend that back knee. Inhale and expand the chest. Reach the arms high. Energize all the way to the fingers. Take another breath. As you exhale, lower the hands and step the left foot forwards. Bow the head down over the legs for a forward fold. Release the back of the neck. Bend the knees as much as you feel necessary here. Let's roll all the way up to stand. Once again, head coming up last. For Warrior Two on the opposite side, take a big step back with the right leg. Line the right foot so that it's parallel with the edge of the mat. Send the leg as straight as you can. Bend the left knee. And keep that knee tracking the foot. If not, perhaps just behind it. Extend the arms. Shoulders stacking the hips. Ground firmly through the feet. Draw awareness back to your breath. Keep the shoulders soft, melting away from the ears. For side angle pose, lower the left forearm to the thigh, reaching right arm up and over, opening up the right side ribs towards the sky. Legs stay firm, strong. Continue to press through the feet. Take a big inhale and lift back to Warrior Two arms. Extend the arms out. Then shift to a high lunge, spinning onto the ball of the back foot. Reach the right arm down and forwards. And remember, if needed, you can bend that back knee. As you inhale, expand the chest. Reach the arms high. One more breath in a high lunge. On the exhale, place the hands down and step the foot forwards. Take a forward fold. With your next breath in, lift only the upper body to a halfway lift, hands finding the thighs, reaching the chest forwards, spine straight. Then exhale, bow the head down, forward fold. Bend the knees, sweep the arms out to the sides and rise up with a flat back. As you inhale, hands reach for the sky. Exhale, hands to prayer at the heart. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, swan dive the arms down and fold over the legs. Take an inhale to a half lift, lengthen the back. Exhale, bend the knees, lower the hands and step the feet back to a plank pose. Modify your plank by lowering the knees if you need. Hug the stomach in. Draw a breath in. As you breathe out, lower the knees if you haven't yet. Keep the elbows close to the ribs and pointing backwards as you bend and lower to the belly. Take an inhale, roll the shoulders back and down, peel the chest away from the floor, just as much as you can for Cobra Pose. Open the chest. Soften the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale in, lower the head. Then press into the hands, shift the hips back and come back to where we started, child's pose with the legs wide. Take a few slow breaths here. Give yourself a moment for all of that movement, all of that good that you have brought into your body. Just allow it to soak in. Take a final clearing breath in through the nose. Exhale, open the mouth, sigh all of that air out. Namaste.